All right, so I'm getting some breaking news right here on Headlines today. There has been a stampede at the Satsanga Ashram in Deoghar in Jharkhand. 9 persons, including 8 women and 1 man, are reported dead and about a dozen people injured. It's a function of the birth anniversary of the Ankul Chand Thakur, and that is when this stampede apparently has taken place. We are, of course, awaiting further information as far as this stampede is concerned. But Rohit now joins us for more on this. Rohit, just take us through exactly scanty details we have as of now. What really happened? How many people are we talking about?
Akash, there was a 125th birth celebration of Thakur Anukul Chand that was going on in Devghar at his Satsang Ashram, and this celebration has been going on past couple of days, and lakhs of devotees of Thakur Anukul Chand had gathered at the ashram from Jharkhand and also from other parts of the country. And today at around 9:30, there were lakhs and lakhs of devotees that were present at the ashram, and at 9:30 around, this stampede happened in which 8 women and 1 man has been killed in the stampede, and dozens of people are injured. Akash.
All right, and you know, just yesterday we were reporting about how in Mathura a similar stampede really happened as far as the Radhakrishna temple is concerned. 2 people lost their lives there. The police was being blamed for not being present there. Exit routes had been blocked for VIPs. What are you picking up? Is it just a huge amount of crowds, or was there perhaps no crowd management?
Akash, what we are knowing right now is that there were security person and police deployment that was there, but they could not manage the number of devotees that had turned up, because the devotees were outnumbering the number of police personnel present on the ground, and this clearly shows the lapses that has been that has taken place on the part of the district administration. They could not foresee how much devotees would be turning up, and that is why lakhs and lakhs of devotees had turned up, and they completely outnumbered the security personnel on the ground, and that is why we are getting to know that this stampede has taken place.